Hi students. Okay, now let's start our maths class. The last class or in the previous class we discussed some terms in geometry. That is geometry. What is geometry? It's a branch of maths. In that chapter, in this chapter, we learned some terms, that is shapes and angles. In shapes, there are two types of shapes: closed and open shapes. And angles, in angles there are mainly three, not three. There are how many types of angles are there? Before that, just a revise shapes. It's a closed shape, it's an open shape, right? Like that. These are shapes. In shapes, there are many types of shapes. There is 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, like that. Many shapes are there. In shapes, they are closed and they are maybe opened. In angles, right angle, next acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, straight angle, etc. These are the angles. These angles can be measured using protractor. This is the protractor in your geometry box. It can see. Okay. Then another instrument is this one. This instrument is known as divider. In this divider, which type of angle is this? This type of angle is that is L shape, is 90 degree, is right angle. Okay, less than 90 degree, that is from right to right side. Less side കൊണ്ടിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ വരുന്നത് acute angle, less than 90 degree. In another case, this angle may be go backward like this. These angles are obtuse angle, greater than 90 degree. And the reflex, and this angle go to straight. These type of angles are known as straight angle, is of 180 degree. Is another type. This arm is turned again backward. Okay. Again, these type of angles are called reflex angle, greater than 180, and again rotated like this way, and one line, single line is a circle. So the angle of circle is 360 degree. The measurement unit of angle is degree. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, now we are going to another some activities from this lesson. Here in page number 21, there is a practice time question for you. There is some pictures are given here. First one is, can you see here? All of you take your text, open page number 21. First one is a scissor. In scissor shape, here is a scissor. Okay. Here, which type of angle is this? This one. This one. Which type of angle is this? Okay, less than. Here, 3 columns are given here. First column is right angle, more than right angle. Next, less than right angle. Here, you want to take appropriate type of angles. Here, it is a right. Is it right angle? No, it is not a right angle. More than right angle? No, this is less than right angle. So you want to tick on less than right angle columns. Next, another man is staying there. His arms is given here. Say man. Okay, hand. Can you see there? This angle is, which type of angle is this? Here you can see that this angle is like an L shaped, that is This one, L shape. This L shaped angle is right angle. Right angle is 90 degree. Another kite is given. Say kite. In this kite, there is one angle is given. Okay. Here you want to measure or you want to find this angle, this marked angle. Which type? This is also an L shaped. L shaped is right angle. Okay. Next is where are another fourth one is what is this? Here is in Malayalam this is chavana. That is we hold the hot pots by using this instrument. In this tool, in your house you can see it in your kitchen. That is by അതായത് ചൂട് പാത്രങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പിടിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കും. So here you want to find out this angle. In this tool, which type of angle is this? This is not L-shaped, not a small, but is big. So this angle is more than right angle. See what? More than right angle. Next, last one, stopboard. Stopboard, how many sides are there? 8 shapes, 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this is stopboard. Have you seen anywhere here? This one? Yes, one by stopboard. Here you want to measure this angle. This side. This angle is more than 90 degree, more than right angle. So you want to take in this column. Okay, all of you understand? Now you want to find out more things about your surrounding from your surroundings and identify which type of angles are shown there. Example, corner of a wall or corner of a table or any other scissors or leaf of a fan and some other examples. Take out and find out which type of angle is there. Next, here is another picture is given here. Can you see? Yes. Page number 22. Sukhman made this picture with so many angles. Here are many angles can be seen here. So you want to use color pencil to mark right angle in this picture. You want to mark the right angle with the black color pencil. More than right angle with a green color pencil like this. If it's more than right angle, so you want to mark this angle with the green color. Is it right angle, then you mark with the black color. Less than right angle, you use blue color pencil. Okay, you can do by yourself all these angles. In this picture there are many angles are given here. You want to find out is it right angle or more than right angle or less than right angle. If any type of angles, you mark these angles by using color pencils. As the following indications are given here, you want to read it. Okay, next, draw anything of your choice around the. There are some pictures are given here. Page number 22, question number 3. First one is a mouth of what is this? Sorry. Maybe it's a crocodile. So mouth is opened. You want to find which type of angle is this? Which type of angle is this? Sir, acute angle. That is less than 90 degree. That is 90 degree less than, so less than 90 degree or less than right angle. It's less than right angle. Right? Is it? Yes. Now next one. Which type of angle is this? Say L shaped. So you already know that type of angle is this? Yes, right angle. Right angle. Okay. Another one is this type of angle. We can rotate on left side. We got a right. It's also a right angle. L shaped or all are right angle. Next one is yes. L shape in the മലർന്ന് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഞാൻ മുമ്പേ കാണിച്ച പോലെ. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് L shaped ഇതിന് മലർന്ന് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ greater than right angle. Greater than right angle. Okay, greater than right angle are obtuse angles. Next one is this angle. It's a small angle like this. This one. What type of angle is this? Less than right angle. Less than right angle or acute angle. Don't forget the name of less than right angle, greater than right angle, and right angle. 90 degree, acute, obtuse. Don't forget it. There's one more angle is given. So very understood that less than right angle. Next, there is an activity for you. Take a square sheet of paper. So square sheet of paper and fold it half. I fold it by half. Twice like this. Okay, I fold it like this and fold it once more. വീണ്ടും horizontally. First you fold it vertically and then equally fold horizontally. Okay. Fold it. Again you open the last fold. Last we fold this one. Okay. Then this side, take this. You want to fold from this corner to base this one, this side, this way. Okay, we got some angles here. First you want to take a square sheet of paper, fold it vertically and again fold it. Okay, again fold it. Okay, then that last opened, for the last closed fold is open. Again you want to close corner to corner, fold it to the middle of this fold. Okay, like this. Now you can see many angles here. First one is there is a right angle. Right angle. Which is the right angled triangle? Which is the right angled? Here L shape. This one is L shape. This one is a right angle. We got a right angle one. Another is less than 90 degree. That is less than right angle. Another is greater than right angle. That is this one. From here we got a greater than 90 degree or greater than right angle. So from a square piece of paper we got 3 types of angles in a single sheet of paper. How to take a square sheet of paper and fold it and again fold it and open that portion. Again you want to close it. You get 3 types of angles. First is right angle. Right angle, less than, and this one is greater than. Okay, look, understand all of you or like this. Okay, sir, an activity for you from page number 23. Try out at your home. Okay. Next, some another activities are there. Collect some leaves from the garden. Color each leaf and print it. Look at the angles on the leaves. Which of them are more or less than the right angle? That is, you want to take some leaves and color on it. Color like this. So hands, you want to color this and paste it on a paper. You want to see some veins are here there. You measure that angles on it like this. Okay. There are many angles can be seen there from veins of leaves. You measure it. It's an activity for you. Next, you want to write your name in alphabets and make some angles. Suppose for example, mathematics or maths. I write maths. What type of angles are these? Can you find out? The first one is, here is an angle. Which type of angle is this? What type of angle is this? Less than. That is acute angle. Here is also. It's also less than. Next, it's also less than. Here is less than. And here is less than. Okay, here is another angle. It's a right angle. Right angle. T shape. Right angle. Here is also right angle. Right angle. It's also right angle. L shape. Here is also right angle shape. So, like that, you want to write your names like this and find out the angles in that letters. Okay. So also an activity. Another is put 10 mathematics books on top of each other. Keep one book slanting to make a slide. For example, you want to place your notebooks one upon another, place it. So one book, another book, another book, another book. Okay, these are some 4 books. And keep one book slanting to make a slide. One book slanting, make another book place like this one. And you want to find out the angles. Okay. If the number of books increases, the angle becomes smaller. If the number of books is less, the angle becomes larger. Suppose I again put another book. We place the books one slanting. Then the angle is lowest. Again one another book. One another book is slanting this way. Then the angle is again less. In case of less number of books, one book you place another book, the angle become large. Okay, large. If two books place one upon the another, the angle become large like that. Okay. Now tell me which slide has the smaller angles. Larger books can place one over the another. We got a smaller angles. Number of books less than, angle become larger. Number of books greater, the angles become smaller. Understand all of you? If we place one book another and slant a book and you roll down a ball towards this. Okay? From which slide does the ball roll down faster? Faster area in which kind of books or which kind of? In the more books, the slope is large. Then it rolls very fastly downwards. If there is less number of books, the angles become larger. So the ball rolls little small, lower speed. Okay. But book ഒരുപാടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ angle കുറയും. അപ്പം തന്നെ ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ബോൾ ഉരുണ്ടുപോകും. നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. ഒന്നിന് പുറത്ത് ഒന്നായിട്ട് ബുക്കുകൾ ഫോൾഡ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുക and keep another book slanting towards on the other side and roll down a board over the books towards the slanting books. Which type of or which slide has the smaller angles? Which slide has the smaller angle? More books. Okay. Next there is a picture, that is two slides in a park. Which slide has, slides means in our parks it will exist, and another is two types of slides in parks. Which is larger angles. Here look, this is floor. So small angle, less than 90 degree. So larger angle, this is smaller angle. Small angle, this is large angle. Here look, this is large angle, this is small angle. In this two types of slides, a boy can slide from these two slides. Which slider do you think is safer for the little boy? Which slide is safer for boy? Here is a boy. He want to slide out from these two slider. From which slide the boy more safe? Here, this one is more safe. Sorry, this one is more safe. Why more safe? Why? It has larger angles. Larger angle, the speed correct. Lesser speed. In the previous example, I explained you in case of balls, you roll down a ball from slanting or slide, the angle become more, it goes less speed. But in the small angle slide, the ball roll down very fastly. This boy can go down very slowly. It is safer. Here it roll down very fast. So it's very dangerous, because if it pass very speedy, the boy may be injured. മുറിവൊക്കെ പറ്റും, പെട്ടെന്ന് വന്ന് താഴെ വീഴും. ഇതിനകത്താണെങ്കിൽ കുഴപ്പമില്ല. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ചേഞ്ചിങ് ഷേപ്പ്. ഓർത്തിരിക്കുക, ആംഗിൾ കൂടുന്തോറും, അതായത് ഈ ആംഗിൾ കൂടുന്തോറും ഇതിന്റെ വരുന്ന ഉരുട്ട് വരുന്നതിന്റെ സ്പീഡ് കുറയും, സ്പീഡ് ലെസ് ആവും. Some another example will give you as a question. If the angle less ആണെങ്കിൽ speed കൂടും, speed more, then the accident will happen or danger is there. Okay, so an example. Then there is some other activity for you. Things you need: matchstick, piece of rubber tube used in cycle valves, like this. Okay, ചെറിയ ചെറിയ matchstick എടുക്കുക, അത് ചെറിയ സൈക്കിൾ ട്യൂബ് വെച്ച് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. അതായത് നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുമല്ലോ, ഒരു കണക്ടർ വെച്ച് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നിട്ട് അത് ഷേപ്പ് വളച്ചും ഒടിച്ചും തിരിച്ചും ഒക്കെ ഇതേപോലെ ഷേപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാക്കും. ഇതൊക്കെ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് there are some figures or shapes are given. You want to say, find out or write your results in, that means if does the angle change when pushed down by the finger. അതായത് ഈ ഷേപ്പിൽ നമ്മൾ ഒരു മാച്ചിസ്റ്റിക്കും ട്യൂബും വെച്ച് ഉണ്ടാക്കി. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇത് ഇവിടെ വെന്റ് കണക്ട് ചെയ്ത്, റബ്ബർ ട്യൂബ് വെച്ച് വെന്റ് കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. So we can press it down. We can press it down. It press ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ this uppermost side is towards the base bottom, then the angle become like this. Okay, this angle small. When we press from the top, we got the angle become large. This is small. The topmost angle become large, and the middle, these two angles are in first picture. In the first picture, these 1 and 2, these two angles are large. When we push on or press the upper top, we got this 3. Question angle number 3. 3 is large. 3 increasing. Okay, but 1 and 2 less. 1 and 2 less. That is small. Become less than 90 degree or less than right angle. So you want to try it in your home. Some more examples from using these rubber tubes and matchsticks, etc. Make some figures. There are different types of shapes are given here. You want to do this at your home and observe your measurements or result and write down your notebook or textbook. Okay. Then next activity, shapes and towers. You can see many more towers in your surrounding. Telephone, electricity towers, mobile towers, and each towers contain or consists many angles. Suppose there are 1, 2, 3 towers are given here. From the activity changing shape, can you guess why angles are used in this? No. From the previous activity, you can tell or you can find out how to change the angles in this towers. ഇതിനകത്ത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ടവറിലുള്ള ആംഗിൾസ് ലാർജ് ആംഗിൾസ് ആണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഹിയർ ഈസ് എ റെയിൽവേ ക്രോസ് ടവർ. ഹിയർ ഈസ് ആംഗിൾസ് ലെസ് ഹയർ ആൻഡ് ദർ ഈസ് എ ഇലക്ട്രിസിറ്റി ടവർ. Okay, you want to find out which type of angles are there. Now you can see many angles at your home as a clock or timings. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. Here in a clock there are 2 hands, not 2. One speedy hand is there, it's a second hand. Here take hour hand and minute hand. What type of angle is this? It's a less than 90 degree or less than right angle. Okay, less than right angle, so it's a acute angle. I change the hand. Okay, this angle, not this one or this one. Okay, which type of angle is this? This angle is greater than 90 degree. This type of angle is greater than 90 degree. Then which type of angle is this? Obtuse. Larger than right angle is obtuse angle. Less than right angle is acute. Then there are many questions, many more examples given in your text. You want to find out one more example before you. Which type of angle is this? Which type of smaller angle? Very smaller is acute angle. Okay. What about time now? 3 or 4. So what is the angle? Say 90 degree. 90 degree angle. Then you can say it's an assignment for you or a math trick. That is how many times or how many 90 degree angles can make a clock. ഒരു ക്ലോക്കിൽ how many times എത്ര ടൈമിൽ 90 degree angle വരും. എത്ര തവണ. അതാണ് ടൈംസ് എന്ന് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. ടൈമും പറയണം. Here is another done for you. So 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock is 90 degree. So you want to find out is there any more 90 degree times there? You want to find out. Okay. And another question is you want to find out 180 degree angle. Is there any 180 degree angle? We already know that there are many acute angles and obtuse angles are there. Okay. Is there a 180 degree and 360 degree angle? Is there any 180 and 360 angle? You want to find out and WhatsApp me. Okay. These questions are not in your text. I will give you as you check your intelligence. Next, there is an activity for making a degree clock. Okay. There is many questions from this alarm. Okay. Okay, you want to do it. Next, an activity is for making a degree clock. How to make a degree clock? For that, cut a circle out of paper. Say circle paper and fold into half. I fold it and again it fold it. Once again fold it. I fold it. And once more fold it, and again once more fold it. How many foldings are there now? Okay. Once again I show you. Circle sheet of paper, fold it, 1, 2, 3 folding. Okay, press it like this straight. Then open it. Okay, open it. Then look, you will see lines like this. Okay, there are many lines are given here. Okay, then you want to make write the angles. First, this angle is 90 degree. 90 degree angles. Next, this one is 0 degree. 0 degree. So base. This 0 and 90. This angle is 90 degree. So half of 0 and 90. This angle is 45 degree. So we know that in a clock, and it go to here 0, 45, 90. Next, here will change to 180 degree. Here the angle is 180 degree. That is 180 degree. 45, 90, 180. Next, this one is 135 degree. Okay, like so. Okay, then you want to do this activities at your home and find out the angles in each corner. Next, you want to find out 1/2 of an angle right angle triangle. 1/2 of right angle triangle. You want to find out 1/2 of right angle. You know that right angle is 90 degree. So 1/2 of means into. Of means into. Right angle 90. So 1/2 into 90 degree. How to find out? You know the cross multiplication. So 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Carry 1. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Carry 1. Here 10 changes to 10. So 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 45. 45. So 1/2 of right angle is 45 degree. Then 1/3 of right angle. 1/3 of right angle. Right angle is 90. So again we can cut by 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 0. So the angle is 30 degree. Okay. 2 times means 2 into. 2 times of right angle. 2 times of right angle is equal to 2 into 90 is equal to 180 degree. It's a straight angle. 180 degree is straight angle. Okay, understand all of you? 90-degree angle is called right angle. Then there is another activity for you. It can do by yourself. Boys in എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം പേപ്പർ വെച്ച് എയറോപ്ലെയിൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ ആ എയറോപ്ലെയിനകത്ത് ഏതൊക്കെ തരം ആംഗിൾസ് വരുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ മനസ്സിലാക്കി എഴുതണം. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ആംഗിൾസ് വിത്ത് യോഗ. എനിവൺ യു യോഗ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന് ഓരോന്നിനും ഓരോ പൊസിഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. അതിൽ ഓരോ ആംഗിൾസ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ലുക്ക്, there are some positions are given here. Which type of angles are there? You want to find out. This first one is right angle, L shape. This one is less than. Okay, this bend from stomach to buttocks or leg, angles less than. Next is hand in angles. You want to find out all these angles. Next is chest to floor ആയിട്ടുള്ള angles. All angles you want to find out. Next, last one. It's a game, D game. Read the game and do it by yourself. Once again, in this chapter we learned some angles, shapes, angle measurements, etc. Some activities. The angles are right angles, acute angle, obtuse angles, straight angles. Next, open curve, closed curve, or open shape, closed shape. Now the lesson is over. Note will be give you as PDF in your WhatsApp group. Is there any doubt? Send me as message. I will explain you. Nobody till then don't send notes in my WhatsApp group. Why didn't you? And so all of you should send me the notes from first and second lesson to me. Okay, bye till then.